Hello, Meet Kai, and welcome to the tutorial on how to add animations to Babylon. This is going to have some very counterintuitive steps that don't really make sense, so pay attention. But if you already know how to do certain things, then feel free to skip around, and there will be parts where things are just loading, so feel free to skip through those. But without further ado, first thing you need to do is click Upload Character, and then this will not work with the FBX file, so you need an OBJ file that has the same geometry as the FBX file. So you'll see when I upload it here, it won't have the textures of our FBX file. That's fine. As long as the geometry is the same, it'll work. So we have to manually rig this because we're using an OBJ and not FBX. Not going to be super accurate with this, but it's basically what you do. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we'll continue with that. And then we're going to go ahead and download the animations that we want. So I'm going to download this. This is really important. Do this with skin. You shouldn't need to, but do it. Because for some reason you do have to. Also download walking. Okay, now that we have those, we're going to go into Blender. This is just a new scene with the box deleted. We're going to import FBX and take the FBX that we have that has the red texture on it that we made. So go ahead and bring that in. You don't need to adjust anything over here, despite what other guides say. Okay, that looks good. Gonna rename this to character. Then we're gonna import the animations. So first we'll take idle. Do this one at a time and rename them as you go, because otherwise it's nearly impossible to tell with the switch. You're going to want to rename the top and the animation name. Oh, also, for some reason, this sets the scaling to 0.01. Just on the animation, you're going to want to scale that up to 1. Okay, now we're going to bring in the other animation. Okay. Now we're going to go down here. Oh, wait, actually, before that. So you want to go and delete the animations by shift clicking. And keep the character right there. So now you'll go to Dope Sheet, Action Editor, select the character, idle. It actually doesn't matter which one you do, I don't think, but you just have to start with one of them. Then go to Nonlinear Animation. See the idle is here. You'll make sure character is selected, add action strip, add the one that you didn't add, walking in this case, file, export, LTF, do that. And now to make sure that it works, we'll open it in the Babylon sandbox. Gonna drag that over. Okay, that is the happy animation. And then here is walking. All right, they work. Let me know if you have any questions.